Yo, welcome back to the episode, guys. I hope you I hope you liked last week's episode. Today we're going to Lighthouse. There is surf, so as you know, that is priority. When there's no surf on this channel, we go and we adventure. We look for things to do. We try new things. Like you saw us go karting, but sometimes it's adventuring to like the hills, Blue Mountains. You know, like looking for the waterfalls. Just doing something, you know, outdoors. But yeah, so I just wanted you guys to know this week's episode we're going to Lighthouse. You've seen it before. I hear it's really good based on like the little group chat that I'm in, and it should be fun. My quest over the last 6 months was to over the last 3 months actually was to try and get into a barrel. I'm gonna keep up with that, and hopefully you see me get into a barrel in this episode. Yeah, also figured I'll tell you, this year we have a few big changes and adaptations for this vlog, for this channel. We're gonna add something new. I have some plans. I have some exciting episodes afoot. I'm gonna try for an episode a week standard, but you will see me do 2 or 3 episodes in a week. You'll see me maybe even try daily vlogging this year. That's part of what's to come. I feel like I'll show you my setup. Right now I'm just using a GoPro and I'm just making the best out of the GoPro. My friend Thwin got drone footage last week. Thwin, the content was fire, thank you. But yeah, we're gonna try and add more angles, add more content, add more equipment, and turn up the thing. So by the end of this year, between editing, between equipment, y'all should be seeing more. More than what I'm just showing you right now. So that's part of this year's goals. Anyhow, last year was actually a pretty good year. I don't know, as in the scheme of things, last year was good for me. I don't know about you, but let me know in the comments. If last year was good, tell me the highlights. If last year was bad, tell me what happened. If last year was up and down, feel free to share. Last year for me personally, my wife and I, well, my fiance at the time got married. We moved out. Ooh, that's a big one, can I tell you. And then there were other things like from work aspects, that we did, but a lot has been happening. Last year was like, I turned 30 last year. That 30 last year, that one was kind of big. I didn't expect like last year to have so many things done, but there's good stuff happening, guys. Amidst COVID, there are a lot of bad things, and I feel a way about COVID, but what we're going to do, we just have to do our best and stay safe, get our booster shots. That's what I did in the middle of December, and just trying to do my thing to stay safe. Same thing with my family, we're all trying to stay safe. I'm not going into that debate, but it's up to you guys. Look, do your homework, and hopefully a choice that helps you. Hopefully you don't have any morbidities or any things that can affect your chances of survival. And if you do what you gotta do to protect yourself. But yeah, anyhow, I just kind of felt like I'm gonna talk to the camera more this time, and I haven't done it in a minute. And that's one of my goals for this year. I'm gonna talk to the camera, talk to you guys more this year. I want to have a conversation, I want to share some value, and I want to let you guys know, well, I want to have a conversation with you guys, through the comments, through the works, so yeah, this year I will be talking more. I talk a whole heap, guys. Just letting you know, I chat a lot. But yeah, it should add some spice to the content. That's the goal. So yeah, Big ups. Hey guys, so we're here at Lighthouse. I just peeped at it a while ago. It's looking really fun, looking really nice. I forgot my sunblock, so I just ran back to the car. But I don't know if you can see that. Man, them charging. It's looking fun. It's not big, but it's what we want. You know, like clean and just a nice day. Oh man, that looks perfect. You know, tiny but fun. Ooh, look on that barrel. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Did I just drop my tam? Alright, don't have time to put this on. Alright, so pretty much geared up. About to put this GoPro in this case because this is what I surf with. Yeah, it has a float on the back. It's in a housing, so the GoPro can't like what has gotten into my GoPro before if you've watched my other episodes. And I use a bite mount. This is why you can actually see when I'm looking left and looking right. Ooh, yeah, Blake. Anyhow, so I'm about to go out now. And you probably won't hear anything I'm saying after this because it will be in the housing. Yeah. Interesting thing about this spot is not necessarily how pretty it is. We're over a reef, like a solid reef, not like, you know, a slabbing reef. I'll try to get some footage of it during the episode, but yeah, so it's like a high risk high reward kind of situation. It's small waves, but you know, like high risk for Jamaica, so yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get some footage of some people surfing, so I'm gonna go down there. Yeah. Yeah, because that's basically what you have to do. You have to be like a little creep talking to your camera. Who are you So that's this week's episode. Had some fun, wiped out a few times. Also, like, got pretty close to getting the barrel that I wanted, but not quite yet. Anyhow, I hope you liked this week's episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. Pop. Welcome back to the episode. Oh, nope, not doing it. Not doing it. I'm not doing that. That'll make good content.